Chemetall has a value proposition that's like the 6 strings of a guitar. It lines up in perfect harmony to optimize the performance of your metal fabrication and finishing processes. We have been innovating, developing, manufacturing, and supplying best-in-class specialty chemicals for metal fabrication and finishing processes for over a century, meeting the needs of customers in markets far and wide. Let us meet your needs with our 6-point total value proposition. Point 1. Global specialists, locally available. Our extensive global network of technical sales representatives and industry experts are masters in their fields and are locally available, in person, ready to meet your needs. Point 2. Comprehensive and focused expert support. Enhance your productivity with the process know-how of the Chemetall team, who are dedicated experts that provide technical service and support. Point 3. Integrated portfolio of innovative products. Our best-in-class products and technologies help you cut it with coolants, cutting fluids, and lubricants formulated for enhanced tool life, extended sump life, and lower disposal costs. Clean it with environmentally progressive cleaners and paint strippers that are safe, effective, and easy to use. Coat it with corrosion preventives, surface treatment, and rust inhibitors that use the latest advanced technologies. Control it with Codax, Chemetall's original data acquisition and control system for monitoring and process control, and non-destructive testing, including dye-penetrant, magnetic particle, and equipment for quality assurance. And conserve it with our water and effluent treatments and energy-saving technologies. Point 4. High-quality standards. Our customers benefit from our consistently produced top-quality products that result from environmentally responsible and sustainable state-of-the-art manufacturing processes and facilities, all of which adhere to stringent government and industry standards and customer specifications. Point 5. Fast and accurate labs. Our best-in-class modern laboratories are externally certified to ensure that our customers benefit from our advanced techniques and processes, cutting-edge equipment, and highly trained and experienced technicians for fast and accurate results. In addition, these scientists and chemists are actively involved in the research and development to support our commitment to innovation. Point 6. Open collaboration for efficient process performance. Our customers benefit from the flow of information and expertise between themselves and our completely integrated manufacturing plants, laboratories, administrative services, and in-field representatives to increase efficiencies and process performance, working together to meet your current and future needs. We're creating perfect manufacturing and process harmony for you. Chemetall. Expect more.